Hi everybody, it's me, Mila Rose, and we are back to do some cash stuffing so that we can make our money work for us. In our last video, we were going over our second account budget, and so now we need to actually take all that money that we had to pull out, that we counted up, and make sure we had the right amount available to us where it needs to go. I'm Mila Rose, and if this is your first time joining me in my channel, I make videos about budgeting. I try to make planning videos, don't always get there, but I'm always making videos about making my money work for me. So, budgets, savings, paying off debt, making large purchases, things of that nature, you'll find that here. And then sometimes you'll get some videos about movie reviews, about day in the lives, Vlogmas. What is that called? Vlogtober. It's coming up, the birthday month, the greatest month of them all. So you'll catch a lot of different things here, but you'll always come back to the basis of my channel, which is budgeting. Let's go ahead and get started. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also go ahead and click on that little bell icon so that you can get notifications for when I make new videos. I post at least twice a week on Thursdays and Saturdays, and I go through the entire budget process every time. I also do updates on my savings goals, my debt payoff, my purchases, my sinking funds, everything I do so that I can keep up with my money. I share with you all so that we can all make choices and be able to at least have an awareness of what's happening with our money, so that way we're mindful about what we're doing, where we're going, and we are reaching and making our goals. All right, y'all, let's get going. Okay, we have money to put away. So we have $55 that needs to go towards business. Now, normally I would be taking that. Actually, our first one we're gonna do is our $289 for sinking. Oh, is that the first one I want to do? No, let's do the smaller ones, and then we'll work our way backwards. How about that? Okay, so we know we need a new car, and so let's set aside our. Oh, I'm doing September, but I haven't finished out August yet. But anyway, we're going to start with new car. And that's getting $10. And I don't know if I have the right one up here. No, I don't. Okay. New car gets $10. Because the thing I'm a little worried about is I don't want to end up, I don't know, having things be a little weird. All right, new car gets $10. So boom, we're gonna just grab a 10. I'm gonna grab 2 5s. I have so many 5s. We're gonna grab 2 5s. So 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, or no. Let's try this again. 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66 in new car. We will probably hit 100 by the end of the year, so that's nice. And then we have, no, that's, oh, yeah, new car. Oh, but new car's only supposed to get $5. My goodness, all over the place, y'all. We're already starting off all over the place. So new car actually only has 61. Okay. My goodness. Okay. Car emergencies is getting, so let me check this off. Car emergency gets $10. And we're going to do 2 5s out of that one. I'm going to go ahead and put that where that needs to go so I don't get confused. Boom. Okay. 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. 179 for car emergencies. Okay. And then who's next? We should do our student loans. Let me go ahead and put this one up. Student loans is in our other package. Our other container. There we go. I'm tracking student loans on this one, so I will keep up with that. And it's getting $20. So 202. Ooh, that's a pretty number. Skinny at 20. Who do I have left? I have trash gets 30. I have all those sinking funds. I have business of 55. We're gonna do 20 out of 5. So 5, 10, 15, and actually we'll do 1, 10, 2 5s to make 20. Okay. All right. So we have, let's put these away so that, oh, great. That was easy enough. Okay. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 2, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. 222. Perfect. I know 222 is like a nice, I don't know what the new agey folks talk about. So yay for 222 for our student loans. Let's get those paid off. Let's get those canceled. I'm here for it. Okay. So that one's done. Student loans is done. Check. Check. Okay, who do we want to do next? 30 for? Might as well do 30. Ooh. I think we're going to go ahead and pull a 20 for this one. And do 30 for trash. Trash, I think has an envelope actually. It's not in this one. If it doesn't have an envelope, it has a slot. I know that much. Trash. Ooh, trash does have an envelope. Okay. And so, take that. And put our 30 away. Okay. How much do we have in here? 20, 40, okay, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. Our trash bill must be coming up. Yeah, in October, so that'll need to get paid soon. But we've got the monies already set aside. Now I remember why I don't like this envelope. Okay, there we go. It's a little difficult to deal with, but it will work for now. Okay, trash is done. Check. NTTA, which is also, I think, in here. Yeah, gets $6, so I'll go ahead and put that aside. I don't know. I know I'm not tracking NTTA at all, so let's see. 20, 30. Let's go ahead and put that $6 in there. Okay, so NTTA has 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Finally! Okay, because that's how much it is to pay for my NTTA, and finally we have enough in there to cover if I need a full month to pay in there, or even more. But I'm going to keep going. Hopefully I'll be able to keep adding towards NTTA since I've been actually needing to use it. So all right, let's do, because it needs 55. Let's do quite a bit of 5. So 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Lots of 5s. Okay, so, do we want to do those 20, all those 20s? No. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 55. 20, 4. Let's see, 55 business. Or I don't think I'm ready yet to put that 55 into an envelope, so I definitely just want to make sure it stays labeled. All right, who's left? So we've done business. So we should just have 289 left for sinking funds. So let's count it out. 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60. 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. 76, 77, 78, sinking funds, cash, stuffing. And then that'll be it for the month of September, unless we do some savings updates or things related to that. So quick, easy, getting it done, making the money work, making progress. I'm so excited, so proud, so happy. And I hope that you are feeling the same for yourself, that you are making those goals, that you are seeing that progress. And if you are having emergencies pop up, inflation is kicking everyone's butts. So if inflation is kicking your butt, do not blame yourself. Do not beat yourself up about it. That is why we budget. That is why we keep up with things, so that we can hopefully make adjustments. And we can also be mindful of the fact that we have to be able to advocate for ourselves, make choices about who we put into positions of power so that they work for us, just like we want our money. The world is hard enough on us already. I hope you're taking care of yourselves. Take care of each other. I'll see y'all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
You